Hello everyone, welcome here. Popular IDEs for coding. Let's start. So we strongly recommend for Visual Studio for preparing and writing C++ programs. So this is the pictorial representation of IDEs where we are presenting here like a screen, like it is showing like a creating new project option, running of your code and the launching of the sharing with your code with any other one and feedback and managing the files, project and the solution at the right side part, and collaboration with any other projects or teams will be displayed here in this particular IDE. Supports features. So IDE is nothing but integrated development environment where you can create, start learning and working with the large extension of the projects. So IDEs will always help you to getting built-in libraries referring what the ideas it will makes you while writing the coding, any of the programming language. So C++ we are strongly recommending Visual Studio. Now second one is Turbo C. This is the simple and easiest to learning with the basics of programming. Always you try to learn this like by using of this IDE as well. The next one, Code Blocks. This is the one of the world's popular like IDE where you can easily freely download and install and run in your local system development area. The next one, Dev C++. It's a development C++. So it's developing of C++ libraries and like implementing of C++ programs with the help of libraries. Also you can use this Dev C++ Studio. Eclipse, where most of the popular Java developments and C++ developments are going to be using this Eclipse IDE. So if you are already familiar with any one of these IDEs or else any other IDE as well, it's okay. And you strongly remember to knowing and writing of the program, to understanding and enabling the logical levels what you are inside, and you are trying to enabling more productive code. So it's not a matter of writing and taking of and the choosing of IDE. So we recommend Visual Studio for the best for to learn, begin with the beginners. Okay, we'll show you like the step-by-step process to starting and scratch steps to getting a Visual Studio and installing all the steps for that. And we are also continuing with the Windows and with Visual Studio latest version. Okay, thanking you.